Good morning, students. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will continue with the lesson that is festivals and celebration. As you know, India is called a land of festival. India is a land of festival, and in India, different types of festivals are there to celebrate. Just for example, national festival, religious festival, and harvest festival. So we already discussed about the national festival, and now today we are going to discuss about religious festivals. As we know, in India, a country having the characteristics of unity in diversity. The country India have one characteristics and very important cultural characteristics in India is unity in diversity. Different religions are here, different festivals are there in India to celebrate, and all festivals and all celebrations are celebrated together with great enjoy and fervor. So my dear student, today we will see the religious festivals. Let's see religious festivals. First of all, Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. Holi is called the festivals of colors. On this day, people throw color powder and colored powder called gulal on each other. Colored water and colored powder. On this day, people throw to each other colored water and colored powder. That is called gulal. To on each other. This festival is celebrated mainly in the North India. This festival is celebrated mainly in North India. Dear student, mainly this festival is celebrated in North India in the month of March. We celebrate Holi in the month of March. Keep in mind to welcome the spring season. To welcome the spring season, dear student, spring season is the season when everywhere leaves and flower, new leaves and flowers are there. Everywhere the whole earth is decorated with flower and greenery. So for welcoming the spring season, we celebrate Holi, that is this is the festival of color and joy. Next is Diwali. The festival of lights, Diwali or Deepavali, is celebrated all over India. Yes, student, this festival Diwali is celebrated all over India, and people decorate on this day. People decorate their houses with diyas, lights, and candles. People decorate their houses with diyas, candle, and lights. Diwali signals the beginning of winter in the North India. Diwali signals the beginning of winter in North India. Yes, student, from Diwali, winter season get start in North India, and this festival is very important in North India, and it is a very big festival. On this day, children used to burst crackers and they celebrate this day with great joy and fervor. Dashera. Next is Dashera. Dashera celebrates the victory of good over evil. The victory of good over evil. Dashera tells us about the victory of good over evil. Means बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत, बुराई पर अच्छाई की विजय. People enjoy watching Ramlila, a dance drama depicting the story of Lord Rama's life. Yes, student, Lord Rama, on this day, Lord Rama's story, this story is enjoyed, the Rama's life story is enjoyed in different forms like Ram Leela, dance drama depicting the story of Lord Rama. So this festival remember Lord Rama, their virtue, their quality, which kind of person he is, and many things are there to learn from his character. In West Bengal, some of other states, Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. In West Bengal and some other state, in West Bengal and some other states, Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. It is called Durga Puja in West Bengal and some other states of India. Next is Guru Parab. Guru Parab means festivals of Guru. This is the festivals of Guru. On this day, people Sikh used to give honor, give respect to their Guru. Langars are held where special meals are cooked and served in Gurudwaras. Langars are held. Langars लंगर मतलब होता है बेटा जहाँ पे फ्री में खाना खिलाया जाता है आते जाते लोगों के लिए और बिना किसी पैसे के खिलाया जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड लंगर. आर हेल्ड वेयर स्पेशल मील आर कुक्ड. स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ मील मतलब खाना, स्पेशल टाइप का खाना वहाँ पे पकाया जाता है, बनाया जाता है. एंड सर्व्ड इन गुरुद्वाराज, और गुरुद्वाराज में उसको सर्व किया जाता है. ईद उल फितर. ईद उल फितर, this festival is related with Muslim and is celebrated to mark the end of the month long period of fasting called Ramjan. बहुत लंबे समय के फास्टिंग के बाद के ईद उल फितर का त्यौहार मनाया जाता है. Is celebrated to mark the end of the month long period of fasting called Ramjan. So people pray in large number in mosques. जो people, जो लोग हैं वो मस्जिद में जाके प्रे करते हैं अपने लॉर्ड से. People pray large number in mosques. After the Eid namaz or prayer, people greet to each other. Yes student, after Eid namaz, when people after the Eid namaz or prayer, after the Eid prayer, people greet each other. मतलब ग्रीट का मतलब होता है एक दूसरे को गले लगाते हैं. नमाज अदा करने के बाद, ईद की नमाज अदा करने के बाद एक दूसरे को गले लगाते हैं मुस्लिम लोग और इस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. एक दूसरे को गले लगाते हैं और कहते हैं ईद मुबारक. By this, people used to celebrate Eid, Sevai is a special sweet dish is prepared. On this occasion, in this festival, Sevai is the main dish that is prepared. People donate money and clothes to the poor. On on the occasion of Eid, on the occasion of this festival, people used to donate money and clothes to the poor so that they may also happy. गरीब लोगों को कपड़े और पैसा इसलिए दिया जाता है ताकि आज के दिन ईद का जो त्यौहार है उस दिन कोई भी दुखी ना रहे, सब लोग खुश रहें और सब लोग खुशहाल रहें। जो पैसे वाले लोग हैं वो गरीबों में कपड़ा और पैसा बांटते हैं ताकि सभी लोग मिलजुल करके एक साथ इस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट कर सकें। एंड नेक्स्ट इज क्रिसमस। यस स्टूडेंट, all you know about Christmas. 25th December is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. 25 December is celebrated as Christmas. This is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ on 25th December. On the day before Christmas, special midnight prayers are held. Means क्रिसमस से एक दिन पहले मध्य रात्रि में, बीच रात में प्रेयर, स्पेशल प्रेयर की जाती है। People put up Christmas tree and decorate them. लोगों के द्वारा क्रिसमस का जो पेड़ है, जो वृक्ष है, उसको डेकोरेट किया जाता है, सजाया जाता है। As we do in our school, you know about it. People also bake plum cakes. People used to bake plum cakes on this occasion. Cake is very famous and it is main dish of the Christmas as Shavai and Gujia. Children love to receive surprise gifts. And my dear student, on this day, children are very excited. Why? They know they will get gifts. They will get gifts on this day. So it is very excitement full. This festival is full of excitement for the children also. The belief that ऐसा माना जाता है, ऐसा बच्चों के द्वारा, लोगों के द्वारा माना जाता है, the belief that Santa Claus gets gift for them. Santa Claus gets gift for them. Means इस दिन जो सेंटा क्लॉज है लोगों के लिए गिफ्ट लेके आते हैं, उनको देने के लिए बच्चों को। So my dear students, it's all about our today's class. Today's we have discussed about many festivals, religious festival. So in our next video we will see the harvest celebration or harvest festival in India. So keep on watching video. Be careful about your health. Thank you and have a nice day.